In today's digital age, visual content is a critical component of any successful marketing or branding strategy. Images and videos are more engaging and memorable than text alone, and can help to convey complex ideas and emotions in a way that words cannot. However, creating high-quality visual content can be time-consuming and expensive, especially for businesses and individuals who don't have access to professional design tools or skills. That's where Pictory comes in. Pictory is an AI-powered platform that allows anyone to create stunning visual content in minutes, without any design experience or expertise. Using Pictory, you can easily create social media posts, blog images, infographics, and more, all with just a few clicks of a button. The Pictory platform uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze your content and generate custom visual designs that are tailored to your specific needs and preferences. The AI system is trained on millions of high-quality images and graphics, which allows it to produce visually appealing content that is both unique and professional-looking. Pictory offers a range of customization options, allowing you to choose